Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram story from someone. So first launch your Instagram app on your device, and here we could see we just landed to Instagram newsfeed, and on the bottom that's a search bar. On the second, tap on that, and on the top there's a search icon, tap on that as well. You can type anyone's account you want to hide your story from, just like this. Tap that person account, and on the top right corner there's a three dot icon, tap that as well. And here we could see here a lot of options, and the sixth option that says hide your story right here, tap on that as well. So here you could see hide story from Wolfie Smriti, and she won't see any photos, videos or live videos you add to your story from now on, and you can always unhide it in story settings. So tap on the hide. So here we could see this person will no longer see your story. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.